How to disable personalized ads on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can turn off ads on Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to launch these settings in your device. On this settings, tap on the first option, that is network and internet. Here scroll down a bit and you will find an option as Private DNS. Tap on it. After that, you will see three options whether you can turn off. You can use the auto function or the last option, that is Private DNS provider hostname. So select the third option. Now under the text box, if you have already added the DNS provider name, you will see this on your interface. You have to clear that, and in the text field you have to type in dns.adguard.com and then tap on save. Once you have done that, you have turned off the ads on Realme phones and you will no longer see the ads. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.